Dalawang malalaking barko naman ng Philippine Coast Guard ang itinalaga para harangin at palayuin ang monster ship ng China na nasa 77 nautical miles mula sa Capones Island, Zambales. Ayon kay PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, gumagabay sa pagpapalayo ng monster ship ng China ang BRP Teresa Magbanwa at BRP Gabriela Silang. Anya, kakaiba ang ginagawa ng CCG ngayon dahil kung noon ay nasa mga kontrobersyal na lugar lamang ang mga barkong Chinese, ngayon, direktang nasa harap na ng Zambales ang operasyon nila. Samantala, ginamit din ang aerial assets ng AFP at PCG para tutukan at i-pressure ang galaw ng iligal na presensya ng monster ship.
I would say this is something new based on our observation with the other Chinese Coast Guard vessels. Because before, they are only patrolling in those areas that are pretty much contested, and there is always a support of the Chinese maritime militia swarming. But this time around, the behavior of the Chinese Coast Guard is intentional and focused only at a certain distance from off the coast of Zambales.